Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about UART receiver, okay? Please watch UART transmitter video also. This is assigned pins. I am setting as a UART1 as my main hardware serial, okay? I am setting baud rate for my ESP32 for debugging purpose, this baud rate. And for communication between external devices, I am writing this one, my serial begin, where serial 8 and 1 is for 8-bit, no parity, one stop bit, okay. Here transmitter and receiver pins in my serial port. Here's serial, that means in ESP32 serial port, we first receive a ESP32 UART receiver ready, where USB, talking about USB-TTL, it is just a dump cable that converts UART to USB. It does not run. It is only forwards data to PC. Why I am using this one? Because I don't have a second ESP32. I am showing also how USB-TTL is also working. That's why I am showing. The same code is applicable for both ESP. This one is for ESP32, okay? If my serial available, that means the USB TTL is connected or not, okay. If connected, string messages my serial read string until. Here a user is entering a data until he press enter, the message will be stored in message, okay. Here in serial printing, that means it will be printed in ESP32 serial port, received as message, what message we are received, okay. Now I will show you how. Oh, first, before we talking about the message information, we need to tell you something. Here we have serial port. We need to change to USB 0, right? I will connect now USB TTL 1 now. It's not updating. Yeah, it's now updated. This is for USB TTL. This is for USB ESP32. If you need to update data, we must select this one. If we want to USB 32 in second device, we need to select this one. But since we are using TTL converter, we no need to select, right, this one, okay. And again, we cannot observe both serial port at a time, right? That's why we need to write in terminal, we need to write screen dev USB type, that means name of the USB TTI USB 96 baud rate, okay. There is another one, that is minicom. This is also in terminal, we need to write minicom -d, that D for devices, same as the screen only, dev. Here I am writing device type, and baud rate, B for baud rate 9600, okay. Now I will upload the code. Before uploading code, how to download minicom. And since I am using Linux, I use sudo apt install minicom, and for screen, sudo apt install screen. What is the purpose of these means? For external serial monitor, okay. Now I will upload the code. It's compiling right now, updating. Yeah, we will talk about this pin. Here in ESP32, I connected pin number 19, 21 and ground, okay. Here for pin number 19, I connected to RxD in TTL, and orange pin number 21, I connected to TXD, okay. For yellow for ground. Now we'll open serial monitor. Here we need to select baud rate as 11200, okay. Go for tools and serial motor. To observe here, USB TTL transmitter, okay. This is dev TTY USB 0. This is, we must set to 115200, okay. For in port we need to convert to USB 1 and C serial monitor. Here we need to change it to 96. If we send 11, it will be get a answer in question mark. Okay. Now I will write like hello, welcome to my YouTube channel cyberdev. Okay, this is I have written. I enter. Now the message is sent. Okay, I will close this one and open serial monitor for USB32. Yeah, it's received, right? So for convenience sake, we use another one, that is minicom. Okay, here there is minicom, right? Now for second monitor I am using screen. Okay, I enter to screen. We need to two monitors, right? One is for USB32. This is using screen. So I am writing welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, channel name is cyberdev. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys.